Animaker lets you turn ideas into animated videos without learning animation. Perfect for YouTube explainers, social media videos, presentations, storytelling. Now, Animaker has a free plan, but watermark on free videos, export, there is an export limit. Paid plans unlock HD export, no watermark, more assets. Now, choose your video type, right? You can see right here from many ideas that you can generate with using AI. So let's say 3D realistic, generate with AI here. Okay, and once you pick a template, you're gonna select here, let's say explainer, right? You can add characters or add text in motion, right? Now, here's an idea: a character explaining how habits shape success, and you're gonna just go ahead and generate a video, right? In Animaker, choose a character, add background, animate gestures, add text bubbles, but that's after you generate the AI, basically, right? So choose style, cinematic, let's say 30 seconds, horizontal, okay, female, male, okay, captions enable, language should be English, and then hit upgrade, right, in order to get the final outcome. You don't animate manually. Animaker handles motion, right? Why Animaker is beginner friendly? Animaker is beginner friendly because they have drag and drop, pre-built animations, no technical skills needed. All you gotta do is just pick the right prompt in the right kind of video, right? The right type of video. So Animaker turns ideas into visuals fast, not perfect, and that's the point. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.